Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Lexus RX 350 steering wheel. This common safety feature can sometimes catch drivers off guard. The steering wheel lock is designed to prevent theft by immobilizing the wheel when the vehicle is off, and the wheel is turned even a small amount, perhaps 1 inch. Understanding this mechanism is the first step to easily resolving the issue and getting back on the road quickly. The next step depends on your Lexus RX 350's ignition type. If you have a traditional key, insert it completely into the ignition. For models with a push-start button, simply make sure your smart key is present inside the cabin. Crucially, for both types, you must firmly press down on the brake pedal. This signals to the vehicle that you intend to start it, initiating the unlocking sequence for the steering column. Now for the most critical part. While maintaining pressure on the brake pedal and either turning your key to the on position or pressing the start button, gently but firmly wiggle the steering wheel. You'll want to move it back and forth, perhaps 2 to 3 inches in each direction. This action helps to relieve the pressure on the internal locking pin, allowing it to disengage. It might take a few attempts, so be patient and consistent with your wiggling. If the steering wheel doesn't unlock immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it requires a bit more force on the wiggling motion or a slightly firmer turn of the key. Always ensure your key is in good condition. To help prevent this from happening again, try to park your Lexus RX 350 with the steering wheel as straight as possible. This reduces the chance of the lock engaging under tension, making your next start much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.